Click on the link below to get price. The Jackery Solar Generator 2000 Plus Kit. This solar generator kit is an advanced, all-in-one power solution designed to provide reliable energy for both home backup and outdoor adventures. With its impressive capacity and efficient solar capabilities, it stands out as a top choice for those seeking sustainability and independence from the grid. This kit is ideal for anyone looking to secure a steady, eco-friendly power source that can be utilized in various situations, from emergency preparedness to camping trips. High capacity and reliable power. At the heart of this system are the high-capacity LiFePO4 battery packs, which offer a total capacity of 6,128 Wh. This substantial energy reserve ensures that you have enough power to keep essential appliances and devices running during power outages. The dual battery design means you can enjoy extended usage times, making it suitable for prolonged emergencies or long outdoor excursions. Efficient solar charging. The kit includes 400W solar panels, which harness the power of the sun to recharge the battery packs. This renewable energy source is not only environmentally friendly, but also cost-effective, reducing your reliance on traditional power sources and lowering your electricity bills. The solar panels are designed for efficient energy conversion, ensuring quick and effective charging even on partially cloudy days. Portable and versatile portability is a key feature of the Jackery Solar Generator 2000 Plus kit. Despite its high capacity, the system is designed to be easily transportable, making it perfect for use at home or on the go. The compact and lightweight design allows for easy setup and transport, whether you're heading to a remote campsite or setting up a temporary power station at a job site. User-friendly design. Ease of use is a standout quality of this solar generator. The intuitive controls and clear instructions make it simple to operate, even for those who are not technically inclined. The system includes various output ports to power a wide range of devices, from smartphones and laptops to larger appliances like refrigerators and medical devices. Durability and maintenance. Constructed with durability in mind, the Jackery Solar Generator 2000 Plus kit is built to withstand the rigors of both indoor and outdoor use. The robust design ensures longevity and reliable performance, while the low maintenance requirements mean you can focus more on using the generator and less on upkeep. The LiFePO4 batteries are known for their long life cycle and stability, adding to the system's overall reliability. What stands out the most? High capacity. Provides ample power with 6,128 Wh capacity. Solar-powered, utilizes 400W solar panels. For renewable energy. Reliable backup. Ensures power during outages and emergencies. Portable. Easy to transport and set up for outdoor use. Dual battery packs. Offers extended power storage with 2 LiFePO4 batteries. Efficient charging, quick and efficient charging capabilities. Sustainable. Reduces reliance on traditional power sources. Versatile use. Suitable for home, camping, and outdoor activities. Low maintenance. Requires minimal upkeep and maintenance. Eco-friendly. Promotes the use of clean and renewable energy. Cost-effective. Reduces electricity bills by providing free solar power. Quiet operation. Operates silently, making it ideal for indoor use. User-friendly. Easy to use with clear instructions and controls. Durable construction. Built to withstand various weather conditions. Emergency preparedness. Ensures you're ready for unexpected power outages. Technical specifications. Capacity, 6,128 Wh solar panels, 400W battery type, LiFePO4 output power, 6,000W weight, approximately 17.63 pounds. Dimensions. Compact and portable design. Charging time. Efficient and quick charging. Compatibility. Compatible with various devices and appliances. Pros and cons. Pros. High capacity and reliable power supply. Solar-powered for sustainable energy, portable and easy to set up. Dual battery packs for extended storage, efficient charging, and low maintenance, versatile for home and outdoor use. Eco-friendly and cost-effective, quiet operation and durable construction. User-friendly and emergency preparedness. Cons. Initial setup may require some effort. Requires adequate sunlight for optimal performance. Higher upfront cost compared to traditional generators. Where to buy? You can purchase the Jackery Solar Generator 2000 Plus kit from major online retailers like Amazon. To summarize, the Jackery Solar Generator 2000 Plus kit is an excellent investment for those seeking a reliable and sustainable power source. With its high capacity, efficient solar panels, and dual battery packs, it provides a dependable solution for home backup, camping, and outdoor activities. Its eco-friendly design and low maintenance make it a practical choice for anyone looking to reduce their carbon footprint and ensure energy security. Click on the link below to get price.